Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to check profile on Fiverr. So once you log into your account, you can click on my business section here. Then scroll down, you will see four options: orders, gigs, profile, and earnings. Click on profile to and then you'll be redirected to your profile where you can edit, share, or preview your profile page. So you can see portfolio of your past projects, and then you can also add an introductory video to your page. You can add your education and relevant certifications to show you're a master or a professional in your claimed niche. If you have you can also earn profile badges once you've started once there's traction on your profile, and you can also add skills and expertise in this section. So guys, that is how to check your profile page on Fiverr. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.